Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix ISDone.dynamic link library error. And also this error is usually connected with the ISArcDynamic link library error too. So here, thank you from answer.microsoft.com and a user to provide us this method from this article in order to create a solution. So here, the ISDone.dynamic link library and an ISArcDll error in Windows 10 or 11, mostly related to the installation of PC game as well as program of large size, and which is unpacked in your hard drive during installation. This will eat up your RAM as well as hard drive. During installation, if your PC RAM or hard disk doesn't have sufficient memory to handle the process, your PC may throw this error. So here you can try to increase Windows page file or virtual memory by hold Windows key and R key to open one box and try to type ISDM.cpl. Click OK. Here this is the system properties. Click Advanced, click Performance Settings. Again click Advanced, click Virtual Memory in order to change it, and untick this box and click on custom size. You can fill the initial size by 400 and maximum size by 3000. So you can set and restart your PC. Here for most games 2.5 GB is enough, so the value which work in most cases is 400 and 3000. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.